it take a lot of guts to stand up there and perform an original song, but it takes talent as well that a lot of stars these days don't have. They got people writing their songs for them, so you already excelled past them. That was stunning. Well done, babe. Zoe.
I'm quite happy with you, to be honest, Sam, because you keep stealing what I want to say.
Sorry, girl.
It's alright. Yeah, it takes absolute guts to get up on a stage. Only the second week of the competition, mind, and sing an original song, like, wow. You were so phenomenal and so talented. Like, the lyrics in that song was absolutely lush. The melody, the backing track, it was all spot on. Like, I can't fault that performance. It was absolutely so amazing and such a step up from last week. Yeah, it just sounds like something that's like meant to be in the charts. Like, if I went home now and chucked my playlist on, that sounds like something that'd be in my playlist. Like, do you know what I mean? You were so captivating, and your boots as well. I love your boots, just gotta say. So well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Emily?
Yeah, that was such a well-written song. I was quite shocked, to be honest, because I was like, that's like a final to me, a final performance, and you're singing it in boot camp, so God knows how you're going to top that performance, because that was insane. So the backing track was so stunning, and the light and shade you put into it. I don't know how the hell you wrote that song, to be honest. And you're quite young as well, and you. Yeah, so you're quite young, and to be singing that, you found who you are as well already, and that is you as an artist. Your control is absolutely insane, and that was a fantastic performance. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Rhiannon, what you've done today now, what you've actually done is you put yourself in a completely different ball game in this competition, right? Now that can be a good thing or a bad thing, because now you've done that, you've got to show us better, and that was incredible. So now you've put yourself a little bit of a challenge, because you've got to come out next week and the week after and whatever, so, and up that again, because obviously as a competition-based process, that's what some people do. They usually come into it, they come out with their big, massive, best song, and then they can never top it. So they end up kind of slowing throughout the competition. So I want you to be aware of that, because you put yourself in another league now, so you need to keep topping that. All right. Secondly, incredible, beautiful song. It sounded really current, really fresh. So nice how your voice sounded around there. I don't know if this is something, if this just a one-off song that you've written, or if it's something that you enjoy doing. But I did pick up last week about you just being more yourself here when you come to Parsons Cymru. Do whatever you feel is natural to you, and you've come up and done that tonight. So if this is your way forward, I'm more than happy to you do an original for the rest of this. You know, that depends on what time you got time scale to do these songs, but just keep being you. That's all you need to do, because so far that was the standout performance, 100%. Well done. Well done, Rhiannon.
Thanks, Joe. Let's hear the front, guys.